guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this week's video, I'm decorating my journal cover since I used on my last one, and I had this notebook that I used for bullet journaling ones, linked down below, and I just want to make use of it so I will be willing to journal again. Anyways, if you guys want to know why I disappeared off YouTube for a month, stay tuned until the end of the video. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into the video. I got the idea of decorating my journal cover from my art class where we had to decorate a journal cover that represented ourselves. I wasn't really sure about what I wanted the design to be, so I planned out my design. Here, I arranged my pictures since it's partly collage. I drew a few plants on a sunset picture of Taiwan that I took. I put them side by side to choose which one I wanted. I think I chose the left one and modified it a bit, but later on I used a silver pen to trace it over. Since there are a lot of details, I cut the drawing out roughly, then going in for the detail cut. And here you've got a drawing of a picture cutout, I don't know what you call them. Since I had a rose gold piece at the bottom of my thumbnail, I drew a rough line on those rose gold paper and cut it out. I drew a slope and trimmed it out just like my thumbnail did. To identify it as a journal, I wrote the word journaling on a piece of paper. At last, I glued the collage of my front cover down. Oh, and I drew a rosemary on the side because I thought that space was kind of empty. Moving on to the back cover, I drew another picture cutout, but this time it's Taipei 101. Since it's symmetrical, I drew two lines on the side and then drew the indents. To give it a highlight, I traced the outline using my metallic blue marker. Since there are many mountains in Taiwan, I cut out two mountains. Here I took the ditch cover picture of Taipei 101 and glued it down to the rest of the collage. You might have seen the quote I wrote on the thumbnail, but it says, "Don't worry, no one else knows what they are doing either." I just thought it's a reassuring quote, and it is kind of true. Above the quote, I drew some hanging stars with my metallic pens. Although both the cover and the journal are both A5, the journal has some curves on the sides, so I need to trim the cover down. I also cut out two indents for the book band, which I thought was pretty cool. After trimming, I got together another piece of cardstock and a piece of connecting paper. Let me tell you, this idea didn't work because the book binding part wouldn't stick to the journal and has problems folding over. So I had to cut them all out and use double-sided tape instead. For in between the book band, I just put a double-sided tape over there. For the other sides, I overlapped the double-sided tape by folding them backwards. For the book binding part, I just used washi tape, which was my original idea. And yeah, I actually like both sides equally because they are aesthetic in different ways. Anyways, that's it for today's video, and I think you came here to listen to why I disappeared off YouTube for like a month or something. Okay, so the thing is, I like filming what I'm doing, but I don't like editing, and that's a problem for me. And I know everything that you do, there's always something that you don't like about it. I do like filming and making videos because I just feel like I'm doing something with my weekends instead of just procrastinating on YouTube. And well, I just want it to be something I do consistently, like a habit. Anyways, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the button down below for my future videos. Bye!